been a little while, so let's see how much fun we can have at Oaks. I haven't been here since it rained, but the last couple of times I tried to focus a little more on going down Hawk and Waterfall. I used to do Chutes every time I was here. That was the whole reason I'd come out, because I was still kind of afraid of it. But Hawk and Waterfall kind of scare me a little more, so. How's it going? Good. How you doing? So we'll see how the conditions are, but and we'll go left today. I hope too much hasn't changed, or I'm gonna find myself on the ground. Now, I've become a more well-rounded, confident rider since the last time I was here. I've been out at Aliso Woods a lot and tackling a lot of the trail features that I don't normally like. So I think it'll sort of translate over here. It's a little dustier here, a little more sliding, but overall, I think I should see some sort of improvement in confidence going down some of the chunkier stuff. So let me finish out this little trail and I guess we'll restart this on the climb. I just wanted to show you that little drop. Here we are at the start of all of this. Oh man. You know, a lot of people hate this climb. And I get it. It's long, it's twisty, and every time you think you're at the top, you're not. But by maybe your third or fourth time climbing it, it's not that bad. And it's something you can definitely get used to. You're doing things that you don't want to do exercise-wise. Brain's got a really good way of smoothing everything out for you. You just gotta unlock it a little bit. Got to power through that first section, and then you cruise this part. And since I first started riding, this place has become so popular. You see some really excellent riders, and then you see these new people. And some people wouldn't like new people on their trails, but their trails. So Some people don't like seeing newbies, but that just means more riding buddies. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna knock out this little bit and then we'll start back up, okay? We're up top. I think I just PR'd. And I didn't mean to. Now I think we're gonna go down Waterfall. Okay, we're gonna see how Waterfall's looking today. I'm riding pretty cautious, mainly because it's been a while here, but that is the first time I've ever done that. Oh. A little loose. Mainly because I'm riding like a wuss, but I'm also alone, so better safe than sorry. That's new. Let's see. Hello. Thank you. Oh, put down. Oh man. Okay. Oh, even though I put a foot down, I've never gone through that trail without putting 2 feet down. Actually, as a matter of fact, I don't think I've done that without getting off the bike. That's easily a PR. That guy there's on a gravel bike. Oh my God. That was so good. I've improved a lot since I've been riding a Liso. There's so many different types of trails there that I think it made me pretty sharp for here, but pretty freaking stoked about that. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna climb. We'll probably go down Hawk and we'll see what happens there. That's the trail these guys just came down. Dude did it on a gravel bike. That's incredible. Go, dude. Okay, catch back up with you in a second. At the bottom of major climbs, I usually pop my seat up a little bit. Got my little LPS sticker there. Best chain lube, best all around. LPS 1, LPS 2. But RockShox Pike, Marzocchi Bomber CR, 141 travel in the back, 150 up front. XT cassette. Other than that, it's basically stock. Leaving the gazebo rest spot. I'm not going to tell you how long I rested. Or maybe I didn't. But climbing up here to Hawk, You can go left, and it's a little longer. I think when I'm suffering, I prefer to just take the shorter route. This one's a little harder to climb, but I'd rather just be annoyed for a shorter period of time. So climbing Bumblebee instead of the other one to the left. I don't know what that's called, but I'm gonna climb this up to Hawk and reset up there. All right, we're up top, and I'm headed towards Hawk now. We'll see if I have any new skills there. It's a fun little hop. We'll see how this goes. How's it going? Thank you. Oh, quicker than usual. Here's the same people from earlier. Hello. All right. Don't overshoot that. There's a little steep part here. Nice little right. Tiny drop. Lots of braking bumps, but they're actually not as bad as they used to be. Oh, bird to the face. Woo! Right back where we started. Oh my God, what a good day. What a good day. Wow. I wasn't gonna ride today, so I was a little tired. I have a test to take later for school. But wow, was this worth it. There's one little techie climb spot. It's bumpy today. Wow. Mountain goat. I'm at the top of Chutes, and there's a little ridge in the middle here. I don't know if my camera's facing that, but there's a little ridge right there, and that hill's not very big, but if you don't have enough speed, it really sucks. Like, it's pretty rough. So I've got my seat all the way down. I've got my compression dialed off, and I'm gonna try to PR this. So we'll see what happens. If I really suck when I get to that ridge, I'm gonna pretend like I never meant to do that. But we'll see what happens. There's also people down there, and I don't like flying past people and scaring them. So we'll see how this goes. Give this one a try. It's been a while, so I'll be cautious, but pretty smooth. I'll take that. I haven't seen this part since it rained. a little slower than usual, but this part feels good. Going for speed. The air is nice and cold. It's basically making me tear up a little bit though. Let's try the left today. Thank you. Okay. I lost a little speed there, but let's see if I can make it back here. Got my gear shifts good. Seat down. Into gear. Try to take the left. Not fly over the edge. Thank you. Wow. I've never done that before. Got lucky. I normally take that drop. Thank you. Oh. Wow. I don't know if that was a PR, but it sure felt good. Coming up. Wow. I wasn't even gonna ride today. A little cold. Got out of class. Have a test to take. Man, I'm pumped though. That was good. There's a little drop here on the right, and it is little. And I used to be afraid of it. I still am afraid of it, but let's do this. Oh God, what a good day. I was a little out of control on chutes there, but I accidentally learned the faster line. There was that little drop after those people were resting in the middle and they let me go. There's that little rock step down, and I normally do the step down because it's on the right, and that's as far right as you can go. That little side part I took was not there last time I was here, and as far as I can remember up until this point, or last week, it was never there. So I got lucky, or else all those people would have seen me go swim through some bushes. But overall, a solid day. Shout out to Frank. I don't think you're ever going to beat that Chutes run. Let's just face it, that hill in the middle. Got that 10 horsepower here, baby. So hopefully that gives you some insight on these trails and their condition as of November of 2020. It was pretty consistent, really, from last year all the way into, we'll say, the last couple of months. but this rain really clears up some new trails. Thankfully, there haven't been fires in here. But overall, I mean, the condition, I was just at Aliso this last week, Aliso Woods. Try to ride Laguna at least once a week. This used to be my favorite spot, and I guess it still is. They're all kind of tied, but the conditions are just so good right now. For the last year and a half, I've been managing dust, and now there's some grip, and it makes me feel really confident. And even in some of the corners, I've gotten used to the oversteer type of feeling, where that back tire starts to walk out on you a little bit, but you use that to your advantage, coming a little hotter into a corner, and you're able to pedal out faster, and you're in your body's best range for putting down power. And in turn, for not suffering all that time by using your momentum efficiently, you don't get so tired halfway through the trail and get sloppy, where the real consequences and mistakes happen. So thanks for riding with today. I'm headed back to the car, but if you ever have any questions, feel free to message me or comment or whatever. But thanks for riding along today. Peace.